Name of this experiment is determination of soponification number of supplied oil sample. Apparatus required: burette 1, peptide 1, and conical flux 1, round button flux with air conditioner 2, copper water bath, and 2 burner. Chemical required: oil sample 9 ml, 2.5 molarity KOH solution, ethyl alcohol 0.5 mHCl solution, and phenolphthalein. Theory: base hydrolysis of ester is called soponification. Oil or fat upon hydrolysis in presence of alkali KOH from glycerol along with K salt of long chain fatty acid called soap. You can see in this reaction how a fat reacts with alkali KOH. Soponification: value of an oil or fat is defined as number of milligram of KOH required for hydrolysis is 1 gram of oil or fat. Procedure for titration of oil solution with 0.5 molarity HCl solution. First step: take a round bottom flux and take 1 gram oil in it. Add 25 ml ethyl alcohol in using peptide. Second step: now add 25 ml and 25 ml 2.5 molarity KOH solution in the round button flux using peptide. Add 2 to 3 pieces of para in round button flux using peptide. Step 3: now fix an air conditioner in the mouth of a round bottom flux tightly. Wet the paper flap of a air conditioner with water. Step 4: take a copper water bath and fill it with water. Put it on the top pond stand and warm it with burner. Step 5: fix the round bottom flux and clip and stand it such a manner that the lower part of a round bottom flux remains deepened. Water and the copper water both warm. Both 1 hour later the solution is in round bottom flux to cool it. Step number 6: after cooling 1 ml of phenolphthalein solution and to the solution of round bottom flux. Here the color of solution became pinks. Step 7: now take a burette, fix on it in a stand and fill it 0.5 m HCl solution. Step number 7: take a conical flux and take 5 ml of solution in a round bottom flux in it. Now start adding 0.5 m HCl solution from the burette in the conical flux. After taking initial burette reading, step number 9, the point when the color of the solution in the conical flux becomes pink to colorless, stop adding 0.5 molarity HCl solution from a burette and not final burette reading in the observation table. Step number 10, repeat step 8 and 9 and take 3 reading and note the observation in the observation table. That's why we get this observation table of titration of oil solution is 0.5 mHCl solution. Procedure for titration of blank solution with 0.5 mHCl solution. Step 1. Take a round bottom flux and take 25 ml ethyl alcohol in using peptide. Step 2. Now add 25 ml 2.5 m KOH solution in a round bottom flux using peptide. Add 2 to 3 pieces of paraxylene in the round bottom flux. Step 3. Now fix the air conditioner in the mouth of round flux tightly. Wet the paper flap of air conditioner with water. Step 4. Take a copper water bath and fill it with water. Put in the dried stand and warm it with burner. Step 5. Fix the round bottom flux on clamp and stand and in such a manner that lower part of round bottom flux remain deep in water and of the copper water bath. Warm the copper water bath for 1 hour. Step 6. After warming the copper water bath for 1 hour, let the solution of round bottom flux to cool, and after cooling add 1 ml phthalate solution and to the solution in round bottom flux. Here the color of solution became pink. Step 7. Now take the burette and fix the burette stand and fill it with 0.5 mHCl solution. Step 8. Take the conical flux and take 5 ml of solution in a round bottom flux in it. Now start adding 0.5 mHCl solution from the burette in a conical flux after taking initial burette reading. Step 9. Now point when the color of the solution in the conical flux became pink to colorless. Stop adding 0.5 mHCl from burette. Now note the burette reading in the observation table. Repeat it 8 and 9 and take 3 time reading and note it in the observation table. Well, if you continue, you get at this observation table. Result: the Soponification number of supplied oil sample is 11.22 mg. Precautions: all the apparatus should be washed properly with the water before starting the experiment. air conditioner should be tightly fitted in the mouth of round bottom flux so that water vapor should not come out to the mouth of round bottle flux. Third is the flame of the burner should be low. The solution should be refluxed slowly.